In today's video, we will fix the ASUS G14 screen not turning on, black screen, reset, BIOS and display fix. The fix one, you can force restart the ASUS G14. Hold the power button for 30 to 40 seconds. Wait around 1 minute and press the power button again to turn it on. Fix 2, you can check screen brightness. Turn on the laptop, then press Fn plus F8 or F7 to increase the brightness and check if the screen appear. Fix 3. Disconnect external devices. Remove USB device, HDMI cable and SD card and shut down the laptop and turn it back on. And the fix 4, you can reset the display driver. So firstly you can press the window plus control plus shift B, then wait for a beep or screen flash and check if the display return. And the final fix, you can perform a battery reset. Turn off the laptop, unplug the charger and then hold the power button for 60 seconds and plug it in the charger and start the laptop again. Goodbye.